Multiply 3125 by 25 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 5. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. 5 times 3 is 15. The first partial product is 15,625. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 5 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. The second partial product is 62,500. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 0 is 2. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 5 is 11. Put 1 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 5 plus 2 plus the carried 1 is 8. In the 10,000s column, 1 plus 6 is 7. The product of the whole numbers is 78,125. So 3,125 times 25 is 78,125.